Oh, this is going to be interesting. Now I might have to turn the camera off here because I do know that I need to cross this road. So live and learn, as they say. The bridge ahead as well, that looks like a cycling walking bridge. Better change down a bit. Now, it doesn't refer to it in any way as Temple Way now. It just, I keep seeing signs for public footpath. So this bridge is used by cyclists, pedestrians and equestrians. Please be considerate to other users, of course. This might have been a mistake. I haven't changed down enough, and holding the camera is going to be tricky. We shall see. Morning. Hi. Oh my. There we go. Hi, morning. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Very friendly. Very busy road. Oh, I wish I'd changed down. I've got loads of better gears to be doing this in. It's a test of the strength in my legs now. Oh, we're doing okay. And every uphill is followed by a really welcoming downhill. Right, you can go right. Okay, thanks. Bovey Tracey turned right. Which we will. Right, we're back on the road again now, and this is going to be interesting. See how Triking cycling friendly the natives are. We're okay. Yeah. So you can come through, there's enough room. Yeah, that's all right. There's me giving directions. Yes, you can come through, you're allowed. Oh, now that's interesting. Cycling. Should I have gone down there? Right, I'm going to have to turn off the camera here. Right, we're going to carry on down here and see where it takes us. There was a footpath just behind me there, going off to the right, and I think I could have taken that, but we'll soon see. Now we're starting to get more traffic now. This is interesting, isn't it? A blind summit, right. Don't see that very often. There's a lot of kind of industrial things going on. There's wastewater there, but I'm not being told to turn. Station Park. Oh, it's a railway. Is it? No, it was once upon a time. Now that would make a great, that would be flat, wouldn't it? Morning. Natives seem friendly. Another thing, I've got to look at a way of getting my phone mounted on the front here where I can see it. I can't keep stopping them. Morning. Slightly more cyclists. Morning. And more water. So it'll wash the tyres. And so far it's not been uncomfortable riding, so you know, with the traffic it's okay. They're all very respectful and give me plenty of room. So yes, they are cycling friendly motorists. Ooh, football pitch over there. Well, mini football maybe. Oh, now we're in desperate need of a sign here. And of course it's on the other side of the road. Now this is interesting because I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea where I'm going. No signs. Someone over there. It's worth asking them.